What's up, juicy boys, juicy girls? So today I'm going to do a kind of different vlog. It's a nosebleed vlog. And as you can see, there's nothing here, but voila! So it's an unboxing vlog that I'm going to do. Alright, so as you can see, this is not new, this is not the latest, but this would really help me doing vlogs. For this gimbal, we didn't buy it. Sorry, I forgot my tools for my unboxing, so what I'm going to do is just use my bare hands with this.
Cool.
So actually this one, it's some kind of reward that came from my wife from her office. So wow, it's kind of difficult. Nanay, pakipasa naman. Can you pass the cutter? Apologize, that's one minus already. I spoke using Tagalog.
Oh!
So for this vlog, we're going to be doing it in English. Okay, as I was saying, so this is actually a reward for my wife. She had some choices on which device she wants, and with all of those choices, for most of them we already have it, so that's why we end up taking this one. And since I'm doing vlogs and we don't have a gimbal, so my wife is very supportive. So that's why we have this now. This OSMO3. Right, so here's the case. Very nice case. And there you go. OSMO DJI. Okay. And there's also this box. I guess this is where the cords or charger kit. It's here. There we go. Yeah, right. So it's the what's this? For the tripod. Yeah. So you can have this stand, the tripod. Oopsie. What's this? Some stuff, sticker or pads. It says anti-slip pads. Okay, so here's the charger. Yeah, I'm right. It's a Type-C charger. Nice. So this thing, so it will not fall down if you accidentally slip on the handle. What's this? Oh, there's a bag. OSMO DJI bag. Look at that. Alright, so I think that's all. It's inside the box. Very straightforward, very simple. So I guess there's no charge, so we can't operate it for now. But very cool gadget. It's going to be very useful for us, especially in shooting videos. Having that stability, unlike my previous videos where it's very shaky and what it does to the video is it blurs the scene. Yeah, you already know that, right? So yeah. Yeah, very happy with this gadget. Looking forward to try it soon with the videos, and hope you can see what's the difference after we have the gimbal.
You can smell it!
Or the gimbal. It's only one. Okay, so watch out for my next vlogs, and if you have some requests or anything that you want to say, just put it down in the comments section. And yeah, that's it. This is my first ever English only vlog. Yeah. So yeah, I think I need to do more so I can practice my you know what, nose bleeding accent.
I don't even know what that means.
So see you around, guys. Keep safe, especially now here in the Philippines. We're still battling the COVID thing, so keep safe, everyone, and yeah, stay safe. See you around. Bye. Peace.
Preach, they lie or put her out my way, then get lost to sea. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, better hit a peak, yeah.